Hi, welcome online classes. Myself, Mr. Bhusab Dabhade, your geography teacher. Dear student, last online lecture we discussed about chapter number 1, Movements of the Earth. In this lesson, we will discuss some introduction part. For example, solar system. Solar system means Suryamala. Earth is a part of solar system and Milky Way galaxy. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Earth is a third number planet of the solar system. And Earth is a very good planet because suitable climatic condition, water and atmosphere available on the Earth's surface. So Suryamala means solar system and their movement of the earth. Each and every planet move around the sun. Sun is a permanent or stationary object. Sun is the energy source on the whole planet. Then globe. There are two important movements on the earth. One is rotation and another is revolution. Day and night, this concept causes of the rotation because half part face on the sun side, it is called as day, and opposite side it is called as night. Our earth size and shape is a spherical or geoid shape, means that north pole and south pole is less than equator. Look at the picture. Day and night causes the solar radiation. 50% part on the earth face on the sun side, it is called as day, and other part it is called as night. Then movement of the earth. In this lesson, this some important point. Orbit means each planet move around the sun in fixed path. It is called as the orbit. Axis. The earth spin about an imaginary line that passes through the center. It is called as axis. Pole. There are two important poles, North Pole and South Pole. The earth spin on its axis. Dear student, today we discuss about revolution and the causes of season. First point, rotation, and this is the second point, revolution. The earth also move around the sun. This movement of the earth is called revolution. Next, the earth completes one revolution around the sun in 365 days or 1 year. Dear student, there are two important movements. One is rotation. Rotation means the earth spin on their own axis. It is called as rotation. And revolution means the earth move around the sun. It is called as revolution. समझ में आया दोनों कंसेप्ट, rotation and revolution. The revolution of the earth causes season. अर्थ रिवोल्यूशन. अर्थ को एक राउंड कंप्लीट करने में कितने दिन लगते हैं? 365 डे, मतलब 1 year. So the each and every month the face of the earth on the sun side, the causes of the season. Earth orbit, summer season, winter season, these two important season, and spring season. It's very important part on the earth surface. For example, in India, look at the picture on this PowerPoint presentation. June, at the month of June, India, there is a summer season, but parallel in Australia continent there is a winter season. And in the month of December, India, there is a winter season, and parallel in Australia continent there is a summer season. So the approximately over all the world season changes because the movement of the earth, the revolution of the earth. Earth rotate around the sun. It is called as revolution. हर एक कंट्री में अलग अलग सीज़न हैं क्योंकि अर्थ की रोटेशन, अर्थ के रिवोल्यूशन पे ये डिपेंड करता है. द सीज़न is most important role for the agriculture development and overall the human being need to each and every activity depend on the season. Dear student, nowadays there is a month of June. It means that the 7th June India rainy season, spring season start. But almost area there is a very drought-prone condition. Drought-prone means दुष्काल सदृश स्थिति. अभी भी मानसून सीजन स्टार्ट हुआ है लेकिन बहुत जगह पे बारिश नहीं है. दिस इज़ द इफेक्ट ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. दिस इज़ द इफेक्ट ऑफ द रिवोल्यूशन ऑफ द अर्थ. This is the effect of revolution of the earth. So student, today we discuss about movement of the earth and their importance of causes of season. Remaining part means question answer we will discuss in next online lecture. So take care. Thank you.